Hey team, and welcome to this information video. The reason why we're here today is because I'm looking to establish a team of high quality affiliate marketers for my expanding digital product line. During this short video, we're going to be completing a critical information overview. The information we'll be discussing can be seen on screen alongside the timestamps for each section. The goal is that by the end of this video, you're going to have all the information required to determine whether we will be a suitable combination for developing a business partnership. We're going to kick this one off with a bit of a quick introduction so that you can all get to know who you're going to be working with. My name is Adam. I'm a digital product developer specializing in information-based products and business consulting. One of the unique things about working with me as opposed to other product developers is that I will actually work with you in a timely fashion if you need something done, which can improve your sales performance. I'm very easy to reach, and I'm also very active because my team works 7 days a week. So if you need anything from us, you'll actually be able to get in touch with us very easily. That's about all you need to know about myself and the team. We're very serious about getting work done, but we're also very friendly and understanding. We're all here to make money, and we do like to have fun while doing it, so if you're interested in being part of a healthy workplace team, keep watching. Let's talk about the general product information. The product which we'll be discussing here is not my first product. I have been involved in successful online businesses before this point, so you can rest assured that what we're dealing with here is a product which is actually going to sell. The particular product which we're going to be discussing today is both well designed and well polished. I have handcrafted it to absolutely blow the competition out of the water within this niche. Before I built this product, I completed a comprehensive analysis of the market sector and identified that there was a gap in the market which we are now filling. The product itself is called the Empowerment Academy. It's a personal development course which integrates advanced universal logic and reasoning with esoteric spiritual practices. One of the major benefits of the design framework for this product is the fact that you have a very wide target audience. Because the core theme of the product is an integration between logic and spirituality, you can target both audiences using respective market angles. Now let's break down into the product by talking about its specifics. It's a digital information-based product, also known as a course, which means it's entirely hosted online, and this makes it very easy for us to track the chain of purchasing. For payments, we're using a high converting checkout named Thrivecart. This is where your affiliate dashboard will run through. All of our back-end business systems are automated, which means from the moment that you sign up a prospect, they will instantly receive access, and everything from that point forward will be either handled automatically or managed personally by my team. Now, to maximize sales potential, we run a 7-day free trial where we collect the payment details up front. This is a very high-performing strategy within my niche, and previously in my other businesses, we have observed 30 to 40% conversion rates through our free trials. For those who are unaware, this is considered to be a well above average conversion rate in this industry. The reason why our conversion rates are above average is because our content within the product is very strong from the first lesson, and me and my team also nurture every single lead, both automatically and personally. I'm sharing this information with you because I want you to understand that we are not messing around here, and I want you to understand this is going to be a good investment of your time. Our course has 70 lessons spread over 6 different series with a total of 16 hours of video content. We also have an onboarding experience for leads to ensure that they get all the support needed from day one. Every single lesson is custom built in our own format. We've done this because it facilitates the most effective learning journey for each student while also decreasing the risk of privacy issues. This custom format is effective for learning because each student receives video, audio, and visual presentation from lesson 1 all the way through to 70. We also provide interactive worksheets, guided meditations, tricks, hacks, and other techniques which are relevant to our target audience. So that's a bit of a rundown of the product, and as I've mentioned previously, this is a very high-performing business strategy in the hands of capable and experienced operators. I'm sure that you're all interested in discussing compensation structure, so let's talk about that. Initially, we'll be offering a 30% commission. To my knowledge, this is on the higher end of the industry average, but we are interested in taking on higher than average quality affiliates. You get what you pay for, and we're willing to pay a bit more so that we attract higher quality affiliates. I like to give people room to grow, so I have implemented a tier-based benefit system which facilitates that directly. As you can see on screen, there are 3 tiers. You'll also note that the commission rates, benefits, and payouts are all noted. Tier 1 is the starting tier, and all affiliates will begin at this rank. Each affiliate receives 30% commission, a private checkout link, and access to all marketing material. Tier 2 is the second tier and is earned after 3 sales. Commission increases to 35%, and affiliates can request the development of new marketing materials. Tier 3 is the final tier and is earned after 10 sales. Commission is increased to 40%, and at this level, I will personally build you your own landing page which you can use to drive traffic through. So as you can see, there is a genuine progression system available here, and the team is very willing to interact with you on this. We are also always expanding our product lines, so in future there will also be new products available to market. Another example of how we take our affiliate program to the next level is through our in-house training program. I've actually gone ahead and built an entire course for each affiliate which trains you exactly how to sell our product. We talk about sales strategies, marketing angles and USPs, we do a competition analysis, and I give you a direct portal where you can actually download all of our marketing tools. Within that toolkit, you'll gain access to lead magnets, graphics, paid content samples and lessons, text-based sales scripts and articles, downloadable tools, reviews and testimonials, and landing page examples. We genuinely go the extra mile to make sure that you've got everything you need here, and if something is missing, you can just let us know and we will build it for you within 48 hours. That's about all there is to say here. I think all the information has been stated, so if you want to get started, just go ahead and hit the sign up button and you'll be automatically redirected to receive your affiliate URL. If there's anything else that you need to know, I've set up a live chat feature on this page. If you go ahead and send it a message, it will request your email address. If you want to do this, ask any questions there and I'll get back to you within 8 hours. I hope to see you guys inside the affiliate program. Once you're signed up, I'll reach out to make contact and we can go from there. So with that said, let's make some money and I'll see you guys on the other side.